SAM-SMU has a broad international collaboration. If we talk about the data, there are more than 50 specialized therapeutic and diagnostic centers, 14 departments. One of the most important factors that you need to consider when you are choosing a university is that is it approved by NMC? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to those who are new to my channel, this is Ramjam Chandra and I'm currently a first year medical student in Russia. And this channel is about studying MBBS overseas. So if you're a student who is planning to complete their MBBS abroad, this channel might help you. This particular video is about why I chose Samara State Medical University. I am a student right now in Samara State Medical University. One of the most important factors that you need to consider when you are choosing a university is that is it approved by NMC? क्या वो NMC से approved है? So I want to tell you, this university is affiliated with World Health Organization, Ministry of Health of Russian Federation and National Medical Commission. So you can practice in India after you graduate from here. Samara State Medical University is one of the largest and one of the most well-known universities in Russia. It was established in 1919, but यहाँ पे पहले Indian students नहीं आते थे, but from the last 5 to 6 years यहाँ पे Indian students ने भी आना शुरू करा है, and also like other international students from different countries. SAM-SMU has a broad international collaboration as well with medical universities and teaching hospitals like AIIMS Delhi, India में, and Symbiosis International, and like in a lot of different countries. I cannot name every because there are so many. The diploma of this university is known over like 50 different countries. The medium of education is in English, and जो यहाँ के Russian students होते हैं वो Russian में पढ़ते हैं, but all the international students study in English, and we also have Russian classes which are like 3 days in a week, so we are also learning the language here. And पहले ये था कि पहले एक साल लैंग्वेज सीखनी पड़ती थी and then you have to do the course, but अब ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. यहाँ पे सारे प्रोफेसर्स टीच इन इंग्लिश क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जर्मन प्रोफेसर्स भी हैं. वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज global education environment and cultural experiences. If we talk about the data of this university, there are more than 15 specialized therapeutic and diagnostic centers, 14 departments. like हमारी जब classes लगती है तो अलग अलग department में लगती है, जैसे anatomy के लिए anatomy department, 600 to 700 faculty members which includes clinical instructors, teaching faculty, assistant professors. So it's a huge number as well. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे research programs भी होते हैं. like you can take part in so many research programs, and that is one of the reasons why I chose this university, because यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा clinical exposure है. like first year से ही there's a thin line here between friendliness and discipline with teachers. यहाँ के teachers काफ़ी friendly है. if you have any doubts you can like freely ask the teachers. बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं तुम्हारा डाउट भी. जैसे इंडिया में 100 to 150 स्टूडेंट्स का एक बैच होता है, यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता बिकॉज वी आर डिवाइडेड इनटू ग्रुप्स, एंड एक ग्रुप में नॉट मोर देन 15 स्टूडेंट्स. अच्छे से समझ में आता है एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो इंटरेक्ट विद द टीचर. सो दैट इज़ अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज फॉर अस क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा ओवर क्राउडेड नहीं होता. सो एंड ऑल्सो लाइक डिपार्टमेंट से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, यू कैन रीच देयर ईजीली, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का ये होता है कि डिपार्टमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है तुम्हारे डॉर्मिटरीज से, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एंड सैटरडे संडे ऑफ रहता है, नो क्लासेस, एंड बीच बीच में हमें कभी कभी छुट्टी मिलती रहती है महीने में, सो इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होता. समारा स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी के जो क्लिनिक्स हैं, SAM-SMU clinics, they provide high-tech medical care, and which includes like robotic foundation. This university also focuses on other activities as well, like sports. They have a sports complex, gym, and 2 outdoor sport grounds as well. Mostly sports like basketball, volleyball, aerobics, and a lot of sports. I cannot even name how many sports they play, and also swimming is also included. If we talk about the hospital, they have multi-speciality hospitals and diagnostic centers, and यहाँ का patient flow भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. These are the reasons why I chose this university. I think I covered all the important points in this video, and yeah, there's one more thing. This university is in a very good range. So yeah, बाकी if you have any doubts you can drop a comment or contact me, and make sure you like, subscribe and comment. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.